And big news is that Chhattisgarh CM Bhupesh Baghel has questioned the BJP, asking why is the party unhappy with the arrest of Gandhi abuser. This comes as the arrest of Kali Charan in MP by Chhattisgarh cops was slammed by Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra, citing rules.
हमें तरीके पर आपत्ति है छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस के। यह इंटर स्टेट प्रोटोकॉल का उल्लंघन कांग्रेस की छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार को नहीं करना था। संघीय मर्यादाएं इसका बिल्कुल इजाजत नहीं देती हैं। उन्हें सूचना देनी चाहिए थी। छत्तीसगढ़ सरकार चाहती तो उनको नोटिस देकर भी बुला सकती थी।
महात्मा गांधी जिन्होंने विश्व को शांति, भाईचारा, प्रेम, सत्य और अहिंसा, समानता का संदेश दिया, और ऐसे महापुरुष के बारे में कोई अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग करे तो उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। और छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस ने ये कार्रवाई की है और उनके परिवार वालों को भी सूचना दे दी गई है, उसके वकील को भी सूचना दे दी गई है और 24 घंटे के अंदर में उसे कोर्ट में प्रस्तुत कर दिया जाएगा। पहली बात तो नरोत्तम मिश्रा जी ये बताएं कि महात्मा गांधी को गाली देने वाले व्यक्ति की गिरफ्तारी से वो खुश हैं या दुखी हैं। दूसरी बात यह है कि किसी नियम का उल्लंघन नहीं हुआ है, जो विधिक प्रावधान है उसके तहत कार्रवाई की गई है।
Well, you heard the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel over there, and he has gone ahead and questioned Narottam Mishra as to why is he going ahead and questioning the arrest of Kali Charan, because at the end of the day, he has been ruled out as this hate monger who has openly abused the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and now he's questioning the protocol under which this arrest was made by the Chhattisgarh police while Kali Charan was arrested in Khajuraho district. Now, this is what is coming to light, and this is an interesting point that Mr. Baghel has made, and he has openly questioned as to why is Narottam Mishra unhappy with the arrest of a Mahatma Gandhi abuser. So, obviously, the Congress party has also got points to actually trade barbs at the BJP, but Narottam Mishra there making a very, very controversial statement while he says, and he has questioned the arrest of Kali Charan by the Chhattisgarh police, citing rules.
Right, that's right, Griha. In fact, a big political war has erupted between BJP and Congress over the arrest of this controversial character there. And of course, just to remind our viewers that this arrest has been made by Chhattisgarh police in Madhya Pradesh, and that is why Madhya Pradesh Home Minister has objected to this entire crackdown. In fact, just to quote Narottam Mishra, the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh here, he said that it is objectionable. We have objection to the method of Chhattisgarh police. This interstate protocol was not to be violated by the Chhattisgarh government of Congress. Federal limits do not allow this at all. They should have been informed, and by they he meant, of course, the MP police. In fact, he added that if the Chhattisgarh government wanted, it could have called them after giving notice. So these are the objections that Narottam Mishra, the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, has raised over this entire arrest that has been made by Chhattisgarh police. In fact, Chhattisgarh CM too has replied to Narottam Mishra and the objection that has been raised by MP government there, and has said clearly that why is the BJP unhappy over the arrest of a person who had abused the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, of course. And just to remind our viewers what exactly happened there, Chhattisgarh CM Baghel has now questioned the BJP, asking why is the party unhappy with the arrest of Gandhi abuser, and this comes as the arrest of Kali Charan in Madhya Pradesh's Khajuraho by Chhattisgarh cops was slammed by Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra, citing rules. So this is the latest that we are getting in right now on this big political war that has erupted between the BJP and the Congress.